Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply a very simple font styles. In your lecture, we have seen like font types how to apply. In this lecture, we are going to applying like a style property, font style property. Let's see how it is. Like here, I'm taking a very simple italic and normal. So here the class name I'm changing into normal, and here this one also I need to completely change the value of the property is font hyphen style. Font style property, it's a normal. By default, what's the property is going to be applying, that will be applied. So normal class I'm applying for first paragraph tag. So let's see how it is. There is no more changes. The same thing will be applied here and it will be displayed. Nothing will be changes. So the next one I'm going to taking like the second one here. I'll take for italic, and here the font style also I'm taking a copy and paste over here, and instead of normal italic I'm writing. So the class is italic, I need to replace over here also. So italic, save it, reload the page. So italic, the font style, it is automatic applying. So how beauty it is. So the next one, there is a one more is like a very simple one is oblique. So OBLI, it's a OBLIQUE, oblique. So this one, the font style oblique, I can take a copy, and here I want to remove font style property, paste oblique, save. The same class I need to replace here at paragraph tag of third one. So save it and reload. So this one, it's a similarly italic. Oblique is also font style, it's a similarly to italic. So you try to apply more styles and all, like controlling of text styles and all, you will get more beautification, and along with the text also in your HTML text or HTML web pages content. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.